Hey guys, it's Ro. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm hanging out with my friend Jake Roper.
Hello.
From Vsauce 3. I'll put his links down below, and if you are new to this channel, please go show him some love. Go subscribe, go like, go comment, go follow him. One of my favorite videos that you made was the science behind Home Alone.
Oh yeah, that was a fun one.
That was one of my favorites. It was so cool. Jake goes over the science of the different like booby traps that Kevin sets up in the film and sees like if the robbers could actually survive, like the paint cans like hitting him in the face, like the impact, or like when he heats up the doorknob,
Yep, hot
like
door handle.
how that would actually work. Oh, and speaking of science of movies, Jake made a movie.
It was after the Home Alone one. It's about Mad Max, and it also stars somebody that is standing right next to me. Who could it be?
Yes!
Rosanna Pansino.
We had so much fun filming this. Could you survive the explosions and like car scenes that you see on the screen?
It was like the most fun I've ever had on a video, so thank you for being here.
It was awesome. So if you guys want to check out this video, I'm gonna put a link down below. Jake,
Yes.
I invited you over today because New Year's is in a few days, and I wanted to bake with you and make some treats.
What are we making?
We're gonna be making countdown cookie pops.
Ooh.
They're gonna be cookie pops that look like this right before it strikes midnight and it starts the new year. 2019, everybody. Are you ready? The recipe that we're making today is from my new cookbook, Baking All Year Round. Let me find it.
These
We're
are so
making
cute.
these countdown cookie pops. It's a lemon cookie and they're vegan.
Oh,
and
yeah,
we're
look at
also
that.
going to be using vegan icing. I thought it'd be cool to do a vegan recipe once in a while. Every recipe has a blurb. Jake, please read this recipe blurb, but like do it in my voice.
Oh no. Is this when we don't become friends anymore? Okay.
Whether I'm hosting my own New Year's party or attending someone else's, I like
Sorry, that's not it at all. I should read that.
Why do I sound 90 years old?
or attending someone else's, I like to make these flavoursome vegan lemon zest cookie pops. The hands on the clock are about to strike 12, but you don't have to wait until midnight to enjoy them.
I sound like a witch gremlin.
Okay, that's what I was going for. Is that not? I mean, that's what I hear. Leave a comment below. What does your voice sound like? Witch gremlin or angelic symphony? Cookie Pops! Yeah, let's go. Let's get started.
Let's get started. All right, so in front of you, first you're gonna whisk together your flour and salt in a medium-sized bowl over here. So go for it. Just pour in the flour and
Then
salt.
the salt.
And whisk together. And don't worry, all of the measurements I'll also put down there. You're whisking, make sure it's all combined. I'm gonna cream together our butter and sugar in a large bowl. You're gonna mix together on a medium speed for about 3 to 5 minutes.
So why do you get the fancy thingy and I have to do this manually?
Do you wanna do this one?
No, I don't want to do anything anymore.
Oh, okay. If you guys are liking this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to support the channel, click subscribe and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video.
Yeah, don't do partial notifications, do all notifications, and don't uncheck the box for community posts. You
That's
keep
right,
that
Jake.
on.
So anyways, now what we
we
do,
do now?
once you've creamed together the butter and sugar, you're gonna add some fresh lemon juice and lemon zest and mix it up again. So Jake, I'm gonna have you do this now. Here's the
This is a
mixer.
mistake.
See, you wanted to use this electric mixer. Now you're gonna get to. Here we go.
Yep.
Pour it in.
What is this?
I use the real lemons
Oh,
from
that's
my
that one.
lemon tree.
What?
Have you seen? I'll send you home with some lemons.
I would love some
It's
lemons.
full. I have to harvest. It's too many lemons out there. Come back up here. Jake!
In the bowl. And slowly rotate
Yeah.
your hand around the bowl.
And you can do this.
Oh yeah, and you can rotate the bowl too. And then can I leave my hand in place?
Yeah, you can do that.
I could just do this. Look
That's
at that.
nice. Okay, pull it up. Now flick all the way up. Flick it, flick it, flick it, flick it,
All
flick
the
it.
way up?
Hover,
Oh,
hover.
no, not in terms of...
Not all the way
Yeah,
up.
not on this
Just
axis.
hover. Okay,
Yeah.
now off.
Okay.
Nice. Look at that. Let me taste.
So good at baking.
Butter, sugar, and lemon.
Mm.
This is good. Now we're going to slowly add the flour into the butter mixture. Slowly. Jake.
Slowly.
Okay, so now we're gonna roll this into a ball. It's a little bit crumbly right now.
Okay.
We're gonna roll it into a ball, flatten it into a disc, and wrap it up, chill it in the fridge for 1 hour.
One giant disc.
Yeah. Are you ready for this?
I'm ready for this.
We're gonna get messy.
Here we
Press
go.
it in the middle here.
Ooh.
I like to do this because it just keeps it together. Just keep stacking on top of there.
Like that?
Yeah, keep
Oh,
the
gosh.
dough together.
Teamwork!
Teamwork! Teamwork! Teamwork!
Did it! Can I put
Great.
my ball on your thing? See? It's like a witch! I knew it! You're like, ah!
My laugh? All right, so we shape it into a disc, and then I'll do this side, you do the other side, and we just wrap it up tight like this.
Okay.
Perfect.
Wow. Should
And
I
then
fold this
fold
on
the
top?
sides,
Okay,
too.
look at that. A Christmas present.
And then just pop that in the fridge for 1 hour to chill, and while it's chilling, we can wash our hands and get ready. We'll get all the decorations and stuff.
So after it chilled in the fridge for an hour, we took it out, we
Mm-hmm.
rolled it out about ½ an inch thick.
Yeah. Now we're gonna cut out our cookies. We have this cute little circle cookie cutter, and it's a little bit longer. It's almost like a biscuit cutter. The size of it is 2 1/4 inch, and we're gonna cut out 6 cookies. So I'm gonna cut out some first. I rolled it out on the top of a piece of parchment paper, and rolling it out about ½ an inch thick is thicker than the regular cookie. Cut it out, give it a little jiggle, bloop,
Woo.
and then I'm just gonna place it over here onto the baking sheet.
at
Give it a
that.
little jiggle.
A little jiggle.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, you know.
Oh my gosh, I'm proud of
It's
you.
not my first rodeo, as
Have
they
you
say.
been baking?
All year round? Of course I have. BakingAllYearRound.com.
Jake, here's where we gotta be gentle. We've got lollipop sticks.
Okay.
So you're gonna take your cookie and you're gonna gently press the lollipop stick
Oh, gosh.
about halfway through. So you don't want it to go further than this, Jake. Just kind of eyeball it. Shouldn't go past there. Gosh, you're
Okay.
already
Oh,
doing
no,
it.
it's breaking
Okay.
apart.
Yeah, you gotta kind of go gentle. You gotta feel it out.
I just don't know my own strength.
And this is why the cookie's a little bit thicker. It's for the lollipop. Just boop, boop, put it back together. Nice,
Oh,
Jake,
yeah.
you did it.
Well, mine, you can see it's like a claymation thing. You can see my fingers.
Then just do this to the rest of your cookies. So these are almost ready to bake. We are gonna pop them in the freezer for just 10 minutes and then pop them into the oven for another 10 minutes to bake at 325 degrees
Fahrenheit.
Fahrenheit.
All right, so we just got these puppies out of the oven, let them bake for 10 minutes, and now they've had plenty of time to cool.
They
Oh,
smell so good. You can smell the
Oh,
fresh lemon.
I physically touched
Oh
it
my
with
gosh,
my nose.
I'm like drooling. Okay, now we are gonna decorate. This is my favorite thing to do. Over here we have royal icing in little piping bags, and this is vegan royal icing as well. So first we're gonna just pipe an outline on the top of the cookie,
Okay.
going around the top. We got this. Just a circle, Jake. You can do this. Outline all of your cookies, and after they've set for just a couple minutes, fill them in. Once you've filled in your
Well-
cookies, you're just gonna let them sit and smooth. Oh, you've got real wiggles over here, I see.
Yeah, it's like an art piece.
We're gonna have to really let this sit for a minute.
All right, so we've given these time to set and flatten and harden. No, put it down. Put it down. We're not
So
done.
good.
We have to do more, I think.
So now we're gonna use the same white
Okay.
icing. We have a little bit left. Pipe an outline around the outside of the cookie, but while it's still wet, we sprinkle on some gold sanding sugar. Just get the sugar to stick, just like this. Dee-dee-dee. And then you're gonna do this to the rest of your cookies.
These are looking real good.
Yeah, they're almost done. Like I can almost eat one of these, so I'm very excited about this. Okay, so in the little bags in front of you, Jake,
Yeah.
we have some black vegan royal icing with a number 1 tip at the end for a little bit more control because this piping work is very detailed. You can use other tips if you want, but we're gonna be really careful. So try to pipe a little dot in the center of the clocks and stick an edible gold pearl on top. I just want to feature midnight. So I'm gonna pipe a 12 at the top of the clock and then put dots all the way around because when the clock strikes midnight, it's the new year. It's when the ball drops. It's when the fireworks go off. It's when it's 2019.
What?
I should have got us 2019 like little headbands.
Should have gotten us
Oh
2019
my gosh.
Bugattis.
Jake, I can't afford to get you a Bugatti for the new year.
But you will be if you go to BakingAllYearRound.com.
Come on, Jake, pipe some 12s for me.
All right.
All right, you pipe a 1 and a 2 at the top here.
Is that what I do?
Yeah, you can do it. I know you can. Jake.
My slate is just like progress into a person who forgot what numbers looked like.
So I do a bigger at the 3, a bigger at the 6, and a bigger at the 9. And then 2 little dots in between.
Boop.
Just like that.
That's a clock.
do a little hand and a little arrow.
Oh gosh.
And then you do another one right here, a little bit longer. Look how cute this is. Are you kidding? Pipe these little hands on the rest of your cookies and you're ready to go.
What a great job.
It looks like 11 o'clock.
Maybe I just don't want the night to end.
You're like 11 o'clock on the dot. I'm in my drop top, cruising the streets. Oh no, I stepped on you.
Oh no, no, she's down. Row! Ta-da!
Here are the 11 countdown cookie pops that we made today. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I thought it was the perfect treat to make for like a New Year's Eve party because look how cute. They're right about to strike midnight and this recipe is totally vegan. So if you're like hosting a party and some of your friends have food allergies or they're vegan, this would be a yummy little treat. You would not know because this is just a delicious lemon cookie. A big thank you to you guys for suggesting a New Year's treat, and a big thank you to Jake. Jake, thank you for helping me bake these today.
Thanks for letting me be here.
This was so much fun. Again, I'm putting his links down below, so go show him some love. Go subscribe. He's awesome. You might learn something if you watch his videos. Before we try these,
yes.
Do you have a 2019 New Year's resolution? I know I'm putting you on the spot, but mine is to be the best aunt ever. So basically, bae.
Besides baking with you, which I would love to do, my other resolution is to make as much and as good of content as Husky does on youtube.com/Husky.
He really has any content.
A boy can dream, you know?
Cheers.
Cheers. Time tastes delicious. This is really good. There's so much flavor.
This is why I was trying to eat these the whole day.
Happy New Year!
I do not sound like that.
No, sorry, you sound more like this. No, let me.
Okay, let me. What do I sound like?
Happy New Year! Chillins!
That's kind of how you sound.
Than the ones I was doing before.
Yay! Happy New Year!
I literally need to take a class of how to open these because right when I think I'm getting better, I'm not. Bye, you guys. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!